Today we'll learn how to install Python, in a minute. First, we go to python.org, and download the latest version of Python for Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Make sure to check the box that says, Add Python to Path, before clicking, Install Now. The installation will begin. It should only take a few moments to complete. To verify the installation, open Command Prompt. Type Python --version, and press Enter. If you see the version number, congratulations, you've successfully installed Python.